In this video, we'll demonstrate the process of modifying your login password and PIN code through the virtual dashboard. To begin, locate the upper right corner of your screen, then, choose the option labeled Change Password. Enter your current password in the designated field, followed by your desired new password. For enhanced security, we recommend using an alphanumeric password. To proceed, ensure that your new password matches the one you entered previously. Once confirmed, click on the Change Password button. A notification will appear to indicate the success of the password change. Now, we'll guide you through the process of changing your PIN code. From the menu, choose Change PIN Code. Enter your current PIN code in the provided field, followed by your desired new PIN code. Remember, the PIN code should consist of 4 digits. Ensure that you have entered matching PIN codes before proceeding. Once everything is set, click on the Check button. Congratulations! You have successfully changed both your password and PIN. It's a straightforward process. Feel free to try logging in with your new password. Thank you for watching.